Good morning, children. Today we are going to do chapter 5 of our maths, that is multiplication. Let us understand what is multiplication through an example. Can you see this figure? In this picture there are some apples given. Let us see. There are 5 groups of apple. There are group of 5 apples given in this picture. Each group is having 2 apples each. See, you can see here 2 apples are given in each group. So how many apples are there in all? To find this out, what we will do? There are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So there are total 10 apples over here. See here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So there are 10 apples. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are total 10 apples in 5 groups. So 5 groups of 2 is equals to 10. We can write 5 into 2 is equal to 10. That is 5 groups are there and 2 apples are there in each group. So we can write 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So let's see what is multiplication. Multiplication is the short form of repeated addition of same number. When a same number is added several times, so to cut short to make it in a short form, we use multiplication. So that's why multiplication is the short form of repeated addition of the same number. Here you have to make sure that same number is added, then only we can multiply. Alright, now multiplication is represented by the sign cross. Cross sign into sign we are using. Cross sign we are using for multiplication. When we multiply 2 numbers, the answer we get is called product. When we multiply any of the 2 numbers and the answer what we get, that is called product. Like when 2 numbers are added, that number answer is called sum. Likewise, in multiplication, when we add 2 numbers, the answer is called product. See exercise 5.1, that is write the addition and multiplication factor. Here a picture is given here. Birds are there, a group of birds are there. You have to write the multiplication factor as well as the addition factor. So how many birds are there? How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of birds, that is in 2. Each group is having 2 birds each. So how we will write the addition factor? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 4 times we will add 2 and answer is 8. The sum is 8. And multiplication factor 4 into 2 is equal to 8. The product is 8. B1 addition factor, let us see how many leaves are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves are there in each group. And how many times the group is repeating? 3 times. So let us add 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is equals to 15. And multiplication, 3 groups are there, so 3 into 5 is equals to 15. Likewise, flower, let us see flower in how many groups it is divided into. 2 groups it is divided into, and each group is having 6 flowers. So let us write the addition factor. 6 plus 6, that is equals to 12, and the multiplication factor, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now in the second one, write the multiplication factor. See, you can see here addition factor is given. You have to write the multiplication factor of it. What is given here? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 times 3 is added, so the answer is 12. So now how we will write the multiplication factor? 4 into 3, that is equals to 12. The multiplication factor would be 4 into 3, that is equals to 12. Here in the B1, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sevens added together, that is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equals to 35. So 5 into 7 is equals to 35. Now down, write the addition factor. Just opposite to above one, we have to write now addition factor here. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. How many times we have to add? We have to add 5 4 times. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 20. In the second one, 3 into 10 is equals to 30. 10, how many times we will write? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equals to 30. So this is multiplication factor and this is addition factor. Write the addition and multiplication factors for each number line. Now here a number line is given and it is drawn here. From 0 to 3, 3 to 6, then it is jumping 6 to 9, then 9 to 12. So we have to add as well as multiply. Multiplication factor we have to show here. First 0 to 3 plus 3. So we will write 3 here. Then again plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is the answer we are getting, that is 12. 4 times we have added 3 here, right? So addition factor we have already written. Now multiplication factor, how we will write? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times jumping it has done. 4 times 3 gaps is taken here. So we will write 3 into 4, that is equals to 12. This is how we can write addition and multiplication factor from the number line. Now multiplication tables. It is very important. If we have to multiply any of the number very quickly, it is very important to know the multiplication table. Let's see table of 1. 1 into 1 is equals to 1. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 3 into 1 is equals to 3. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. 6 into 1 is equals to 6. 7 into 1 is equals to 7. 8 into 1 is equals to 8. 9 into 1 is equals to 9. 10 into 1 is equals to 10. Children, you have to remember one thing. If we multiply anything to 1, we will get the same number. The number will not change. Remember, if we multiply anything to 1, the number remains the same. Now let us see table of 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into 2 is 10, 6 into 2 is 12, 7 into 2 is 14, 8 into 2 is 16, 9 into 2 is 18, 10 into 2 is 20. 3's table. 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 3 is 12, 5 into 3 is 15, 6 into 3 is 18, 7 into 3 is 21, 8 into 3 is 24, 9 into 3 is 27, 10 into 3 is 30. 4's table. 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 4 is 20, 6 into 4 is 24, 7 into 4 is 28, 8 into 4 is 32, 9 into 4 is 36, 10 into 4 is 40. 5's table. 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 5 is 10, 3 into 5 is 15, 4 into 5 is 20, 5 into 5 is 25, 6 into 5 is 30, 7 into 5 is 35, 8 into 5 is 40, 9 into 5 is 45, 10 into 5 is 50. Now let's see 6's table. 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 6 is 18, 4 into 6 is 24, 5 into 6 is 30, 6 into 6 is 36, 7 into 6 is 42, 8 into 6 is 48, 9 into 6 is 54, 10 into 6 is 60. Let's see 7's table. 1 into 7 is 7, 2 into 7 is 14, 3 into 7 is 21, 4 into 7 is 28, 5 into 7 is 35, 6 into 7 is 42, 7 sevens are 49, 8 sevens are 56, 9 sevens are 63, 10 sevens are 70. 8's table. 1 into 8 is 8, 2 into 8 is 16, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 8 is 32, 5 into 8 is 40, 6 into 8 is 48, 7 into 8 is 56, 8 into 8 is 64, 9 into 8 is 72, 10 into 8 is 80. Now 9's table. 1 into 9 is 9, 2 into 9 is 18, 3 into 9 is 27, 4 into 9 is 36, 5 into 9 is 45, 6 into 9 is 54, 7 into 9 is 63, 8 into 9 is 72, 9 into 9 is 81, 10 into 9 is 90. Now 10's table. 1 into 10 is 10, 2 into 10 is 20, 3 into 10 is 30, 4 into 10 is 40, 5 into 10 is 50, 6 into 10 is 60, 7 into 10 is 70, 8 into 10 is 80, 9 into 10 is 90, 10 is to 10 is 100. Here there is a simple rule. If we multiply any number to 10, we will just write or we will just add 1 0 at the end. So today's work is that you have to learn multiplication table from 2 to 10 so that we can do further exercises very smoothly. And once you learn all the tables, you can multiply quickly. So hope you like this video. In the next video I'll be coming it with another part of multiplication. Thank you for watching this video.